Hello children, we have been doing a lot of exercises by watching the fitness video posted here, right? I'm sure you will all be feeling very energetic and ready to try something new now. Let's have some extra fun today by the foot tapping exercises which will make you dance for the rhythmic steps. The floor is your stage. All you need is sheets of paper with numbers 1 to 6 written on it. You can stick these papers on the floor or you may write the numbers on the ground to have a track of your movements. Watch Uma ma'am closely as she demonstrates the aerobic steps to you. Here we go. Children, this series of foot tapping exercises will keep your heart racing, energy levels high, and improve your happiness quotient too. Keep practicing these exercises to your favorite music and enjoy.